Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the General air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We use the mode button to change the modes of the air conditioner. In this air conditioner it is possible to set 4 modes with the mode button: cooling, drying, fan, and heating. Since the cooling mode is used more often, we will first explain how to use this mode. We press the mode button, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want to save electricity, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. Setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius is not recommended, as it can cause us to get sick. We use the fan button to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. The appearance of the letter A means that the air conditioner fan switches to the auto fan speed mode. If the fan noise in the bedroom bothers you, you can select a low speed. As the speed increases, the cooling power of the air conditioner also increases. We press the mode button again, and we see water drop symbol on the screen. This is the air conditioner's drying mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. We switch to fan mode by pressing the mode button. In this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. We switch to heating mode by pressing the mode button again. A sun symbol appears on the screen. This is heating mode. In heating mode, we set the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, setting the air conditioner fan speed to auto fan speed mode makes the air conditioner work more efficiently. Because in this case, the fan speed will be selected by the microprocessors according to the condensation temperature. The outdoor unit of the air conditioner will be covered with snow only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to auto fan speed mode, press the fan button several times, and when the letter A appears on the screen, the fan will have switched to this mode. Additionally, it should be noted that in heating mode, the air conditioner will reach its nominal power within 20-40 minutes depending on the air temperature. Press the mode button again to return to cooling mode. Now we will explain how to use the other buttons on the remote control. With the swing button, we can move the air conditioner's blinds up and down or stop them in any position. Sometimes, when the weather is very hot, the super button is used to cool our house faster. When the air conditioner switches to this mode, it will operate at the highest fan speed for 15 minutes, and after this time, it will return to the previous fan mode. The dimmer button allows you to turn the air conditioner's display light on and off. When the I feel button is pressed, a human silhouette appears on the screen, and we see that the temperature has changed. In this mode, the air conditioner will measure the temperature with the help of the remote control. In other air conditioners, the auto mode is switched to using the mode button. This air conditioner has a special button, Smart. This is the Smart button, and when this button is pressed, The temperature indicator on the screen disappears and this icon appears. In this mode, the air conditioner always tries to keep the temperature around 24 degrees Celsius. If the temperature in the room drops below this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode, and if it rises above, in cooling mode. To exit this mode, you need to press the mode button. The clock button is used to set the air conditioner's clock. When this button is pressed, we see that the clock is flashing. The temperature buttons are used to set the clock. To confirm, you need to press the clock button again. After the clock is set, it is possible to use the timer mode of the air conditioner. The timer on button is used to turn on the air conditioner at a desired time. For example, we go to work early in the morning and turn off the air conditioner and want to turn on at 6 p.m. In this case, we press the timer on button and set it to PM 6 with the help of the temperature button. To confirm the setting, we press the timer on button again. The air conditioner will turn on at 6 p.m. To exit this mode, you need to press the timer on button again. Or our air conditioner is running and we want it to turn off at 4 a.m. In this case, we press the timer off button, set AM 4, and confirm by pressing the timer off button. To exit this mode, you need to press the timer off button again. Thank you for watching us until the end.